This is a set of calendar pieces that you could really use and extend in any way that you chose. You can talk about the odd and even. All the odd numbers are in red, all the even numbers are in blue, and discuss and build those numbers to prove the odd and even part of it. You have the money, and looking at the money, you can simply say how many coins are there. There are 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. So that would give you 4 coins. If your class was ready for it, you could name the value of the coins, and you have 10, 20, 30. So 3 dimes would equal 30. You have the nickel, which is worth 5 cents, and you have the penny, which is worth 1 cent. So you could also talk about the values. And if you had a class that was ready, you could go ahead and count the total value of the coins, 10, 20, 30, 35, and one more would be 36 cents. So there's a variety of ways that you could use the money. Again, whenever you were using them during the year, you could use them for different skills. The pictures are designed to be used for measurement and reviewing the measurement skills. So you could talk about what type of measurement could you use to describe this bag of groceries. You could talk about the groceries that are inside the bag, the weight of the foods that are in there. You could talk about how tall the bag is and how you would measure that. You could talk about the capacity of the bag, how much it would hold. When you get to the flowers, what could you do with the flowers? You could measure how high they are, how tall they are. You could measure the length of the petals. You would not be using the flowers with capacity. Some kids may say that you could weigh the flowers, and that's fine, and that's something you could actually bring into the classroom and actually weigh some flowers on a scale. Then you have the mailbox, and again, this is about what the students and you come up with when you look at the calendar pieces. It's about the student justifying why they really would use whatever type of measurement they talk about. It's about the understanding and the discussion that you have with the children talking about the different units of measurement. And the same goes with the money. If you were using these with students that needed extension, they could compare the 36 cents and they could compare the money on this calendar piece and which one is greater. Money is just a skill that students need, that repetition. Same with measurement. If we only teach measurement within a given unit, it makes it difficult to hold on to the vocabulary, whereas the spiraling throughout the month and repetitively throughout the year will help them hold on to the vocabulary and the understanding.